I know, look at this.
Oh man, it looks beautiful after it's done.
Yes. Look at the design, look at the layout. The house is beautiful, the surrounding is amazing. But what happened, they covered that historic terrazzo with some kind of urethane and aluminum oxide. So we did a little mock-up here, as you see, and we exposed the terrazzo. But now we are going to remove the whole thing and we finish it the right way and make it look like jewelry. And when I'm talking about like making like jewelry, it's what I really mean it. So let me show you. This is what epoxy or urethane stands for. It's quite thick. You think about it, but that's what we're gonna be chasing here.
my favorite word and method when it comes to cementitious terrazzos, and it means making glass-like, and that's exactly what I've been doing right now. The guy's been doing. I'm just showing off, to be honest with you. But guys prepared everything for the polishing process. So the vitrification, it's in action. That's what's happening to it right now. So friction, resistance, heat, all that does the magic. Now, it comes with a certain skills, certain patience, and then really good eye. Resolution, reflectivity, distinctness of the image, the glass-like appearance, like the absolute shine, like when you see the glass or you see in a mirror. So right now, so that's how we do it.